Hello, this is Michael from SkipperBud's in Bay City. This is a Trophy T25 EX model. Comes with a very nice aluminum trailer. It's got a bow thruster on it. Definitely has a unique European look. This is the outboard model with the 300 horsepower Verado engine on it. This is a V8 engine. It's got the bench. You can slide back and forth with storage underneath. Does have a little refrigerator, stove, sink, bolster seat. It's got a nice Semred GPS unit. It's got a windlass, bow thruster controls, active trim, DTS, SmartCraft gauges. Here's the cushions, extra cushions. Little sleeping area. And here's the head compartment. If you have any questions, please call us at the SkipperBud's in Bay City.